Marvel star Jonathan Majors, 33, appeared virtually at the Manhattan Criminal Court today, 6 weeks after he was arrested by the NYPD when a 911 call was made following an alleged domestic dispute between the actor and a woman who has not been identified. According to Deadline, today the Manhattan District Attorney's Office revealed a superseding complaint that resulted in them adjusting the charge from assault and harassment charges to a third-degree assault charge. This adjusted charge could see Mr. Majors spending up to 12 months behind bars if he is found guilty. Following today's status conference, Mr. Majors' lawyer Priya Chowdhury shared a statement with Express.co.uk confirming that there are new charges against the actor, only that the charges had been adjusted and laid out some hefty allegations against the DA. Ms. Chowdhury claimed they had given the DA irrefutable evidence that the woman is lying on video proof showing nothing happened prior to today's conference. She slammed the ongoing legal proceedings as a false case and witch hunt against Jonathan Majors, driven by baseless claims. The lawyer continued, instead of dismissing the allegations in the face of the woman's clear lies, the DA has adjusted the charges to match the woman's new lies. She claimed that the team are hesitant to share more evidence allegedly proving Mr. Majors' innocence as they fear the DA will tip the woman off to change her story again. Ms. Chowdhury alleged that the case and Mr. Majors' treatment by police at the scene in March showed a glaring double standard and highlights the racial bias that permeates the criminal justice system. Don't miss. Actor Stephen Tompkinson unemployed as work axed after arrest. Latest, guest list of stars invited to Archie's birthday by Harry and Meghan. Insight, Andrew Lloyd Webber breaks silence after coronation snaps go viral. Reaction, Mr. Majors is expected to appear in court, in person this time, on June 13 for the next hearing, and in the meantime he cannot contact the woman due to a protection order that was put in place in April, which Ms. Chowdhury explained as standard in cases such as this. In a previous statement to Express.co.uk, the lawyer claimed, "We consented because Mr. Majors wants nothing to do with the woman who assaulted him." On the morning of March 25, a 911 call, which Ms. Chowdhury claims was made by Mr. Majors himself, alerted emergency services to a domestic dispute at a Manhattan apartment. Police told Express.co.uk at the time, a preliminary investigation determined that a 33-year-old male was involved in a domestic dispute with a 30-year-old female. The victim informed police she was assaulted. The victim sustained minor injuries to her head and neck and was removed to an area hospital in stable condition. The 33-year-old male was identified as Mr. Majors and he was arrested on charges of strangulation, assault and harassment but was soon released from police custody. Since the incident, Ms. Chowdhury has vehemently maintained that Mr. Majors is completely innocent, and at the time of the incident told Express.co.uk that the charges would be dropped imminently. The statement also claimed, "Unfortunately, this incident came about because this woman was having an emotional crisis, for which she was taken to a hospital yesterday." The alleged incident has also had a devastating effect on the actor's career that only just catapulted into global renown with his starring roles in Creed 3 and Ant-Man and the Wasp: Quantumania. Deadline reported that Mr. Majors has been dropped by his managers and PR team and has lost at least one movie role and 2 ad campaigns following the allegations.